spray on my hand. We taking shots still. We gotta get up early tomorrow, so later on, tune in. YouTube, it's your boy back again, bro. We just had a time, bro. Story time coming soon, bro. I know I said crazy story time coming up. You see even crazier one coming out, bro. YouTube! I'm back! So, day one, it's the day one fit. We got the little, this is regular stuff, right? It's the back of the shirt, a little bit of red, nothing too crazy. This is what we got going on. We are in Mexico, we're in Cancun right now. It's lit. Day one, putting the work. Now it's time to enjoy the work that we put in. I think that's how you say that. The lighting in this shit is weird. It get good in some places, and in the others it's not. Get in, see him. Look at the front. He ducking the camera, bro. He not asleep. We record him all night.
You want a Modelo?
You want Modelo? You want shotgun Modelo? Let's shotgun for the YouTube. Let's shotgun for the YouTube.
4 shots.
All right.
Yeah,
Let's shotgun real quick. We about to do a little tour, jump it up, facility. I should say the resort, all-inclusive resort. So we got this wristband right here. It's a little loose because it's like a one size type thing. Cut it. Yeah, you got this joint. This is like the privilege. This premium, which was what we had when we first arrived. As soon as she told us about privilege, we hopped on that junk because I enjoy the fruits of the labor. So I'm ready to be turned. We gotta get turned tonight. We taking shots still, but we gotta get up early tomorrow. So later on, tune in. It's the first vacay I actually recorded, bro. A couple months ago in March, I went to Costa Rica, and then I'm in Cancun now. I'm about to go somewhere else next month. Let's go! YouTube, it's your boy back again, bro. We just had a time, bro. Story time coming soon, bro. I don't know if I said this before or not. I had a couple shots. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I had a couple shots.
Saddle.
Yeah. Bro, I had a couple shots, had a couple drinks. Feeling it, bro. Definitely feeling it. Lighting. It's mid. It's better in the bathroom, but we good, bro. Got the 3 lights up top. It's okay, so it's 2. Maybe I'm tweaking. But yeah, we about to go to the ATM, get some food, and then get back to what the hell I was doing off camera, bro. I want to bring the camera with me, I do, but I know that I'm gonna just consume too much alcohol, and I don't want to be on here dropping the camera that I just got, bro. Nothing crazy. I need a cameraman, bro. So applications is open. Hit the comments if you want to be the cameraman. Real rap though, I need the cameraman, bro, because I can't be holding this shit while I'm doing what I'm doing. Like I had a whole interview with a dude, bro. He was 40, you feel me? Ended up buying my butt, bro. Like, you feel what I'm telling him? He was from Canada. He said he made like $200,000 a year. I was like, all right, so you at 40 years old, what tip would you give to a 20-year-old? I'm 19, I'm ready to be 20 though. Next year, but still, with me. I'm out of the country, so I'm ready to cut up. Whatever the fuck I say is whatever the fuck I say. I'm not drunk right now, I'm tipsy. Just got out of the shower, bro. Clean as hell, feel good. The fit, nothing crazy, regular shit. Something chill, about to just go to, where we ready to go?
Oh, the buffet.
Buffet?
Yeah.
Ready to hit the buffet, bro.
We're gonna try to go to the place we went to earlier.
Be Love. We're trying to hit Be Love. We're hit the buffet. If they don't let us in Be Love, which they probably won't, because they said dinner you need reservation on breakfast and lunch you don't. So I'm really trying to see what that's like. We was in the ocean and shit, bro. Shit was 30, bro. 3 time coming up. Stay tuned, bro. The rest of this vlog is just gonna keep getting lit. I don't know how I'm gonna combine these days. I don't know if I'm gonna edit all of this and post it. If I'm drunk, it's just not gonna happen. But if I could just, wait, I would say wait, get all the clips of everything. I knew I should have bought that GoPro. Like I said, regulate some food, get some drink. I think I'm gonna have an alcoholic beverage with my food. Yeah, that's the wave. Cancun, man. This shit don't just happen because you want it to happen, bro. You gotta get up and go make it happen, bro. Simple as that. Get up and go make it happen, bro. See me having a time. Not really, because you ain't had no point of views, because I'm not carrying the cam on me. I'm just not gonna do it. It's just not gonna happen. But yeah, man. I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next clip. I don't even know what the next clip gonna be, because the cam is staying in the room. But hope y'all boys is enjoying, the little vloggy vlog so far. This is just day 1. We literally landed at what time we landed? 9 o'clock, 9:55. 9:55 is 7 o'clock at night over here in Mexico. We in Cancun. We just drinking, like we got a mini bar. We got all inclusive. Like we got, feel me? What's it? Not presidential, but privilege. We had hit the privilege bar. Only privileged and exclusive members could hit that bar. And it was hot everywhere else. You get to that bar, it's breezy. It feel good. Niggas got a little tea. We got a little tea, and then we ended up going for a swim, bro. I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next clip, though, boy. Hopefully, I'm doing something lit.
I don't know what the fuck happened.
I think I got a broken finger. I don't know why he got a sling on me, but my finger might be broke.
I got bruises and cuts all over her legs. Yeah, I got bruises on my legs. I think go in the bathroom.
Yeah, get a video of that. Damn, that shit went in my head too, bro. Look, my hand. I heard it cracking. I'm like, this. Y'all good? This dude deep.
I know I said crazy story time coming up. You see even crazier one coming up, bro. Look at her head bleeding, or dog. After countless hours in the hospital dealing with bullshittery, I'm finally back in the hotel room. See that red dot right there? I don't know if I can see it or not. I'm not really looking at what I'm aiming at, but I see it. And chat. Y'all want to know what happened, bro? I don't even know what happened, bro. It just happened so fast. Now I'm sitting in my room, right? I'm sitting in my room with this busting ass food. I got a little burrito, some tacos over there, some Coca-Cola, Dr. Pepper. That's some snacks from the little corner store. I get an X-ray on my hand. Nothing's broken or none of that night. Nothing crazy, but this shit is crazy. Like we went from, oh my god, it's lit. I got a story time for y'all to, oh my god, I got a story time for y'all. Like, and this is 2 different story times, by the way. I have not made the video yet. I'm telling the story, but chat. It's mad lead. to finish this food and then get some sleep because it's 2:12. I don't know how much longer we're gonna be here. I think we're gonna stick it out to the end. But if this ain't a free trip after what happened today, bro, they paid for my X-ray. Like I could still hold the camera because the camera's pretty light. But they paid for the X-ray. They paid for my transportation there. They got me a prescription. They paid for the way back, and like we stopped and got food. I'm not looking to, sue anybody as long as my stay here is free. To be reimbursed, it would be lovely. I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next one, let y'all know what's gonna happen with the whole thing. I literally had a nail in my hand. Like, this shit is crazy. She had a nail in her head. Like, whatever, alright, bye. We back! Update. I can't even give y'all an update because we really ain't getting nowhere, bro. Like, they talking about, oh, this, that, the third, this, that, the fourth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Bro, boom, boom, boom. Y'all see what the fuck we had to go through, bro. And they acting like they trying to brush it off. So we gotta get the lawyers. We gotta get the lawyers involved. Cause it's like a serious matter, bro. They really try to make it seem like we was playing around and see, that's why I need my camera. If I had been recording like I was supposed to, they would see that we was on it, doing what the fuck you supposed to be doing on it, laying down. I'm gonna throw on a little hoodie. I know it's hot, but it's getting cold outside because the sun went down. So we about to go take a couple pictures. I'm gonna see how we go do that.